You're watching 5 on your side at 10 after the Olympics.
It's really reassuring and comforting to have someone at the bedside with them.
Nearly 2 years after the pandemic began, there are more signs that things are getting better. All St. Louis hospitals are now easing visitor restrictions. Good evening, everyone, and thanks for joining us. I'm Michelle Lee.
And I'm Brent Solomon. More people will get to be near their loved ones in the hospital as COVID numbers start to trend in the right direction. Justina Cornell explains the changes at area hospitals.
It was really hard not being able to say, everybody come up, especially with everything we went through to get him with trying for 2 years and everything.
7 weeks ago, Tracy Dalton gave birth to her rainbow baby Max as the Omicron wave began to ravage hospital systems once again. With hospitalizations increasing, the amount of visitors had to decrease.
We had quite a few coworkers out at that same time that tested positive for COVID. So we did scale back our visiting policy. We had been at 2 visitors at that time and went back to just allowing the 1 visitor.
Dolan stayed at Mercy as new life came into this world.
It's hard to have to tell your family, I'm sorry, you're gonna have to wait because it's not even our choice.
She was comforted by those stepping in.
The nurses at Mercy were incredible. They kept coming in helping.
However, now with COVID numbers trickling down, some visitor restrictions are being lifted.
We did go back to our pre-COVID visitor policy.
Mercy is now allowing unlimited visitors, and they will no longer be screened to enter. As for the other 3 major hospital systems, BJC, SSM Health, and St. Luke's, it's bumping visitor capacity from 1 to 2. And St. Luke's is also lifting its vaccination and COVID test status for visitors to enter.
Tell us about how important having visitors is. We know having family at the bedside will decrease patients' anxiety. It gives them a level of emotional support.
Dr. Hillary Babcock with WashU and BJC Healthcare says this can improve patient care.
It's definitely a partnership, and we appreciate having those family members there.
And for patients like Dalton, it can be a big impact, even for the littlest ones.
I think it's going to help a lot for people's morale, even if for nothing else.
Justina Cornell, 5 on your side.
Now the 4 major hospital systems in St. Louis are requiring masks. Some are recommending medical grade masks. For visitors, they're still not allowed to see patients who have COVID.